Hit that subscribe button. Like, follow, and share. Today I'm going to be buying all of these fidgets. And let's get into it. How much money is this?
$2.
Okay. I'm buying it. And how much money are these three?
They're all $2.
That would be so that would be $8.
Yes.
And then I want this keyboard.
That keyboard is $10.
Okay. How much money is these two free puppets?
All three of them, $15.
Okay. How much money is this poppet bracelet and this dart poppet?
They're $5 each.
Okay. So $10. How much money are these two?
They're $1 each.
Okay, so $2. And I would like to buy this Slinky.
That's $1.
These two.
They're $1 each.
Oh. Okay. $2. How much money is this fidget spinner?
It's $3.
Okay. $3. How much money are these two?
They're $2 each.
$4.
Yeah.
How much money are these for?
All four of them bought as together as a set. It is $16.
Okay. How much money is this bicycle chain?
$1.
Okay. How much money is this $1? How much money is this?
$2.
Okay. How much money is this temple?
$1.
Okay. How much money are these two?
They're $5 each.
Okay, so 10. How much money is this one?
That one is $7.
Okay. How much money is this one and these three?
Those three together are $9.
Okay, $9. How much money is this?
It's $2. Didn't you already buy that one? Or that's a different one?
How much money are these two?
They're $4 each.
Okay, so $8.
Yep.
How much money are these three?
Those three, they're $10 each.
$30.
Yeah.
How much money are these?
Those are $5 each.
$25.
Yeah.
How much money are these?
$5 each.
One. So 20.
Okay.
How much money are these?
The little one's $3 and the big one's $5.
Okay, so $8. How much money are these two?
Those are each $20.
Okay, so 40.
Yep.
How much money are these two?
They're $1 each.
Okay, So $2. How much money is this?
$5.
Okay, so 5.
And all those are $2 each.
How much money are all of these?
They're all $2 each.
Eight, 10, 9, 11. Okay, I want these. And how much money is this snapper and this?
Those are $1 each.
Okay, so this is $1 and this is $1.
Yes.
Okay, so $2. And I want all this.
All that. You bought all my fidgets. Is that what you wanted to do? Did you keep track of how much it all cost? How much was all that?
Maybe $299.
$299? I don't know. I'll believe you. I'm not going to go back and do all the math. You got your money? Did you bring it? Okay, well, pay up. Okay, thank you.
Actually, I'm gonna buy one more thing. This. How much money is this one?
That's $20.
Okay. There's $20 more.
Okay, thank you. I'll take it.
And so, bye. Bye. Peace.